Hello, Naomi. In your project, I want that today you are going to read this example of a review about conservation biology and cell biology. I don't know if it's the best right now, but this could be a good beginning. And I want that after reading that, you start looking for other reviews. Yeah, I want that you look for general reviews on conservation biology and also conservation biology reviews and genetics, or if you find something related. And rather than having hundreds and making you read a lot, what I want is that you pay attention to the writing style and the organization. So you say, okay, I really like this one, I didn't like this one. What all of them, if you see most of the reviews, at the end, they cite uh, just most of the times they cite key papers, so we can see which one are those key papers and what is the field that there, what is the gap that you can fill with writing your review. And of course, if you cannot find one of those publications, please ask me for the publication, and I might try to send it to somebody as somebody else, and maybe we can get it if you find a paper that you consider important. And so first, read the paper. Second thing, read for other reviews. Oh, no, read, look for other reviews that they can be different, more general about conservation or other types or type topics such as conservation and genetics. And finally, the last thing that I wanted to ask you is that you start making an outline of your review. So what I don't want is that you get a super anxious, because I used to get anxious when they said that I have to write something. I don't want that you write a paragraph that is stressful and about the introduction, and you think that every class you have to write a paragraph, so at the end of the semester you have I don't know, 10 20 paragraph, so you are done with the review. Actually, what I want is that you uh, think about this in a different way. I want that you start looking for the key topics. So for example, instead of writing this, I want that you start thinking, for example, okay, the uh, instead of writing, I want that you highlight what are the key topics that you want to talk about it. And then we will see how we feel the information and how we find links between the information. And maybe one you say like, Nicholas, this is not an important topic, so we remove it. These are just the titles of the paper that you have to read, but I want that you start finding the key titles, the key points that you think that you should discuss, and then we can start seeing what is the key information. So this is more like instead of your review writing it in one day, we go more from a gradual process of writing it, so it's less stressful and then easier to do. So now, due dates to read this review. I want that you take notes as usually of this paper, and it will be, you have to hand it in today. You will find the link on Moodle, and also for this to make the outline and send me the papers, you have time until next week. Okay, and if you have any doubt, let me know. So just in case, here you can find what you have to do today, and here the two things that you have to hand it in, and here you find the due date, although I know you find it also on Moodle. If you have any doubt, let me know, and have a good day. Bye.